I must write my shopping list before leaving home. Let's go shopping today. Bob, do we need milk?
Milk? I don't remember.
No eggs, no butter. We need more food.
Where are my shoes?
They're on your feet, Bob. I always bring my own bags. Good for the earth. Great! Now let's go, Bob. The car is ready.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hurry up, Bob! Unlock the car!
I'm trying. Which button is it?
Don't forget your seatbelt, Bob.
I know.
Click. Turn left at the corner. The supermarket is close.
Left? Okay, turning now.
We're here. Let's park the car.
Perfect parking, right here.
Right here. Get a cart, Bob. We need a big one.
It's stuck! Oh, there it goes.
Welcome to the supermarket. So many things to buy.
Wow, it's big in here.
First, let's go to the fruits and vegetables. Look at all these fresh fruits and vegetables. This apple is fresh and red. I'll take 5.
Is this tomato soft?
Bob! Don't squeeze so hard. Let's weigh the carrots. How much do they cost? Excuse me, where is the bread?
It's in aisle 5, next to the bakery.
This way, Bob. Aisle 5 is over there.
Oops, sorry, shelf.
This bread smells so fresh.
Shh, just one box of cookies.
Bob, what are you doing here?
Nothing, just looking.
Okay, 1 box of cookies.
Yes! Thank you, Betty.
Let's check the date. This milk is fresh. No broken eggs. And I love this cheese.
Brr, it's so cold in here.
Do you want chocolate or vanilla, Bob? Bob?
Both, please.
Ice cream is fun, but we need vegetables too. Can I have 1 kilo of chicken, please?
Sure, 1 kilo of chicken, coming up.
Great job. We are halfway done shopping. Which cereal is healthier? Let's read the label.
Would you like to try our new sausage?
Wow, that's delicious. can I have one more?
No, Bob. Let's keep shopping. I'll get orange juice. It's good for breakfast. We need soap and paper towels, too.
Betty? Where are you? I'm lost.
There you are, Bob! I found you!
Phew, I was looking for you too.
This is the last item. Cinnamon for my pie. This line is shorter. Let's go here. We're all done. Let's go pay now.
Finally, my feet are tired.
Let's put everything on the belt.
Hello! Did you find everything today?
Yes, thank you. Everything was great.
Everything was great.
Put the heavy things at the bottom, Bob.
Got it. Heavy first, got it.
That will be $42, please.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye. There's the car.
Almost home now. Yes!
I'm ready for a nap. Careful, Bob. Don't drop the eggs.
I've got it, I think. Cart goes back here. Job done.
Shopping is done.
Let's go home now. Home sweet home. Here we go.
That was a good trip today, Bob.
Yes, and we got cookies too.
We're home. Let's bring in the bags.
Okay, last job of the day.
Almost there, Bob. Just a few steps.
My arms are tired, but I made it.
Here we are. Let's put everything away.
Finally, my back needs a rest.
Apples on the counter, vegetables in the fridge. Milk, eggs, and cheese, all nice and cold.
Just one cookie. Mmm, so good.
Bob, crumbs on your shirt again.
It wasn't me. Okay, it was me.
Fold the bags and hang them up. All clean. Look at that, a full fridge, full hearts.
And cookies too. Best day ever.
Quiz time. How do you ask, where is the bread? Tell me now. Tell me now. Yes, excuse me, where is the bread? Great job. What do you say when you pay for groceries? You try.
Correct!
You say, here you go, thank you.
You're a star student.
Great job learning English with us today.
See you next time. Bye-bye.